Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video, C++ programming on Linux. In this short video, it's going to discuss MongoDB Atlas, an integrated cloud database. MongoDB is a document-oriented database program, classified as a NoSQL database. In previous video, our example is built on MongoDB, downloaded and installed on Linux platform. The example of this video will update a previous C++ program example, connect to MongoDB Atlas Cloud database. MongoDB Atlas is a multi-cloud developer data platform. It's the most advanced cloud database across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It's free if data less than 512 MB. In order to test this video's example, we created a Mongo Atlas Cloud account. Since the focus of this video is write a C++ program connect to the Mongo Atlas, we skip the step of creating account. We just click this button and follow the instruction. Here we have created a Mongo Atlas account. It's on the cluster 0. And we create a username, test. It's Atlas admin role and access all the resource. And the database version is 7.0.12 on the AWS cloud. There's an option you can upload MongoDB provide sample date. It's on the database, sample mflix. There's a collection comment, embedded movies, sessions, theaters, and users. Later on, we're going to write a C++ program on Linux to access this database and browse the collection date. Atlas CLI is a ultimate developer tool for Atlas. The Atlas CLI is a unified command line interface to manage Mongo database Atlas, include Atlas search and vector search throughout entire software development life cycles. Here is a page of a step how to install or update the Atlas CLI. Our environment is Ubuntu, so we use the apt repository to install or update Mongo CLI. This is step 1 will be the import public key used by apt. Step 2, create a list file for your addition of MongoDB, and next run apt-get update, refresh package database, and install Atlas CLI. The command is sudo apt-get install -y mongo atlas. Also sudo apt-get install -y mongodb atlas CLI. You can verify Atlas CLI installation, just type Atlas. Here are our Ubuntu Linux, and to install the MongoDB Atlas, and the command to install MongoDB CLI. The command to install MongoDB Community Edition. To test our installation. Now we have installed MongoDB Atlas CLI and the Community Edition on our Ubuntu Linux. To connect Atlas database from Atlas CLI, there are two methods, Atlas login credential or API key. This is a command, connect Atlas using Atlas login credential. This is a command to connect Atlas using API key. Here on our Ubuntu Linux, we use Atlas CLI login credential to connect to Atlas. Command will be, we got a verify code and we have to connect to this web page to type in the verify code. Now, confirm authentication. Your account is ready. You can return to the terminal. Now we have successfully logged in, so we can use a command to verify our configuration. Here is our default configuration. Here is our user list. We only have one user, test. And we only have one cluster, cluster 0, version 7.0.12. MongoDB shell. Mongo SH is a powerful method or shell environment for interacting with data in MongoDB database in Atlas, locally, or on another remote host. To connect to MongoDB Atlas through MongoDB shell, first you have to find connection string. Here is the Mongo Atlas account we have created on AWS Cloud, and here is the button to get our connection string. So here's the connection string, cluster 0 u8 stco mongodb.net. We copy this back to our Linux, type a command schema MongoDB plus MongoDB server, and paste our connection string. Our username is test. After typing in the password, we have connected to our Mongo Atlas. Here is our database. Switch to sample database. Here's the collections, sample database. To find the old document of comments. Here we find the old document in the comment. You can use Mongo shell to test your query. Here on our Ubuntu Linux, we create a new C++ program. Mongo Atlas Connect.cpp. We copy from previous video's example, Mongo Connect.cpp, or Mongo Connect.cpp. First, we need to adjust the URI. This is the URI pattern for connect to the local MongoDB. Now we need to update for connect to the Mongo Atlas. Here is the connection string, and will be replace the password. Here is the connection string for MongoDB Atlas, and will be replace the password. In order to type in password from the console in secret, we have to include some header files. We add one argument from a command line, which is a username. After validate command line argument, first we type in the password. We use SSH get pass. So we declare the variable my password, 30 characters. We declare the string stream for build a connection string. The username from argument 2. The URI. Argument 3. Argument 4, and we just use my collection, find the old document and print out, finish, adjust. We save our program. we compile our program, and the program has been compiled. This is our executable. The usage will be URI, user, database, and the collection, password. Now you can see we can connect to our MongoDB Atlas Cloud database and retrieve the document. Hello, this is Hui. Thanks to watch my video, and it's going to be great to have your feedback.